Want more eyeballs on your YouTube videos? The secret sauce often lies in mastering video tags. When you're uploading a new video, scroll down past the title and description to find the tags section. Think of tags as keywords that tell YouTube and potential viewers what your video is all about. Start by including your most important keywords. These are often variations of your video title. Don't be afraid to do a little keyword research. Use tools, or even YouTube's own search bar to discover what people are actually searching for related to your topic. Mix it up, include broader terms like your main topic, and then get more specific with long-tail keywords. For example, if your video is about baking sourdough bread, you might use sourdough bread, how to bake sourdough, and easy sourdough recipe. The goal is to be discoverable. The more precise and relevant your tags are, the easier it will be for viewers interested in your content to find you through search. By strategically using tags, you're not just categorizing your video. You're actively improving your video's search visibility and helping the right audience find your amazing content. Happy tagging!